welcome to second lecture. This is part of second lecture, okay? And here I said that we have to put the value of c in equation number 3. So equation 3 is 2c plus d is 8. The value of c is 3. 2 3s are 6. So I will change the position. It will become negative. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So the value of d is 2. So here the value of a is 1, value of b is negative 2, value of c is 3, and value of d is 4. So this is lecture number 2. Inshallah I will share lecture number 3 with you guys, and in that lecture I will discuss the next topic and next exercise of 9th class mathematics from Abbottabad board. Hope you will enjoy and you will learn more and more about mathematics.